In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Add to Cart button in Wix products. Let's dive right in and simplify your online store display. First, you'll want to open your Wix site in the editor. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account, and from your dashboard, select the site you wish to modify. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see your website load and a variety of tools around the screen to help you shape how your site looks and functions. Now, let's navigate to the product page. You'll find this option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Pages and Menu button, and this will open up a list of all the pages on your website. In many cases, you'll find your product page nestled under Store Pages. Take your time to locate it in this section and click on it to open and view your product offerings. Next, it's time to fine-tune the settings of your product page. Click directly on the product page element. This action will reveal a few options, and you'll want to focus on the one labeled Settings. Clicking here is crucial as it gives you access to specific controls that dictate what shows up on your product listings. In these settings, you'll need to look for a section that describes what's being displayed on your page. It might have a label like "What's Displayed" or something similar, so keep an eye out for those words or comparable phrasing. Once you've found this section, you should see a toggle option for the Add to Cart button. This toggle is responsible for showing or hiding the button from your product page. Now, to remove the Add to Cart button from your products, you simply need to uncheck or disable this toggle. It's a simple click, but it makes a significant difference in how your product page appears to your visitors. By turning off this feature, the Add to Cart button will no longer be visible on that page, giving your store a cleaner look, which can be particularly useful if you use external payment methods or want to showcase items without directly selling them through your Wix store. With these few straightforward steps, you can effectively control the presentation of your product offerings, ensuring they align perfectly with the purpose of your site or your current business needs. It's always good to preview these changes in the editor to ensure everything looks as expected before hitting publish. And there you have it. You've now learned how to remove the Add to Cart button from your Wix product pages. Whether for aesthetics or functionality, making your website work the way you want is always empowering. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.